Hi friends, this is Qayyum, Civil Engineer. A warm welcome to JILT Academy. In this video, I am going to discuss about 3 BHK ground floor plan with dimensions 30 by 30 feet with a plot and area of 900 square feet. This is a very comfortable and suitable plan for the common available plot areas in our locality. Before going to discuss about this plan in detail, first of all, I request those who are new to our channel kindly subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Now, let's move on in detail about the discussion of our today's plan. So here, first of all, you can able to see here in front face it is a 30 feet road. Now you can able to see the dimensions available here. Main door, that is D. So here you can able to see that is of size 3 feet 6 inches, and D1 it is the door sizes of bedrooms, that is 3 feet, and D2 it is the size of the toilets and wash areas, that is 2 feet 6 inches. And you can able to view here about the window sizes 4 by 4 feet and the ventilator of sizes 2 by 2 feet. Apart from this, you are having about the outer wall of size 9 inches and inner wall size of about 4.5 inches. Now I am entering into the plan. There is a gate available in the left side corner, that is 5 feet gate. This is the entrance. Another entrance is also available to our living room. But first I am talking about main entrance, that is 5 feet gate. So before entering into when we enter into the 5 feet gate, you can able to see the parking area. It is of size 8 feet 9 inches by 9 feet 9 inches. You can able to view here there is a staircase. From this side you can able to move towards the up first floor. Here in this parking you can able to park your motor vehicles. So there is a entrance to the hall directly. But before entering into the hall, first of all let us discuss about the living room. So it is the main door. As I discussed about the main door dimension, here this is a very lavish comfortable living room cum guest room of size 9 feet 3 inches by 9 feet 9 inches. So here it is a sofa set with a teapot. You can have a guest here and lot of your friends with a cup of coffee, with a cup of coffee and other activities. So here with a living room you can able to enter into the hall of size, that is 16 feet. So here the hall size is a very comfortable hall in which you can able to do a small and big functions where you can able to accommodate 20 to 30%. The hall size, that is 16 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 3 inches. So here this is the main hall. Beside of this hall you can able to view it is a kitchen. Kitchen is of size 5 feet 6 inches by 9 feet 3 inches. So here this is a kitchen which is very comfortable for us, and beside of this kitchen you can able to now we are entering into the bedroom. So bedroom of size, that is 11 feet 6 inches by 9 feet. This is a master bedroom which is attached to a toilet of size 5 feet 6 inches by 5 feet 7 and half inches. It is having a duct. This duct is provided to both bedrooms to get the ventilation. This is a full ventilation provided to the both the bedroom. Now after this you can able to enter again to the next bedroom of our of size, that is 11 feet by 9 feet. This is also having a very lavish area where you can easily accommodate our a small family. This bedroom again it is having a common toilet. This common toilet is This is a common toilet attached to the hall, and it is having a lobby also, or wash area we can able to say. This can be kept with Indian, or also you can, if available according to your customer need, you can able to place here Western also. So here this is a common toilet. After this common toilet, again we are entering into the next bedroom of our plan of size 10 feet by 9 feet 9 inches. So it is having a window towards the facing of the road. It is also very comfortable standard size for the minimum requirement of the bedroom size area. So in this 900 square feet area, we have covered the 3 BHK, 3 bedrooms, 1 hall and 1 kitchen. So this is a very comfortable plan for the area 900 square feet. So friends, so kindly like and share the video. Any suggestions or comments, you can comment me in comment box. For more amazing videos or further notification, kindly don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I will catch you with new plan. Thanks for watching.